Welcome students to this video. In today's class, I am going to discuss about two tags. One is heading tag and another one is footer tag. Come students, we'll get into the video. So you must know what is the purpose of heading tag. Any document starts with a heading. You can use different sizes for your headings. In HTML, there are 6 levels of headings, namely H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Each will differ in size. While displaying any heading, the browser will add one line before and one line after that heading. I'll show you an example program. So, here I have given you an example program for headings concept. So, first I told you every document will start with the statement doc type HTML. So, include that tag. Below that, normally you have to write the HTML, which is the beginning tag. After HTML comes the head tag, and within the head tag I told you have to give the title tag. So I told you in the title you have to give the name of the program. So for what purpose are we writing this program? For heading concept. So I have given a name as heading example. It's a pad tag, so close that. So closing tag I told you have to put a backslash. Then finally close the head tag. Open the body tag. So in this body tag, I have given you all the 6 levels of heading. I have written a line and every line is going to display in the heading as I am given. So like this you can also write various sentences you want. Now for example, to show you, I have written you like this. Now come students, we will see the output of this program. Look at the output. See, I had written in every tag in the program, everything was similar. But now look at the output. 6 levels of heading have produced a statement in various sizes. So in HTML, if you want a larger font size, something you want to display in larger font size, then that must be written using H1 tag. Okay, because H1 is the tag that will display the statement in larger font. If you want it to appear small, then the smallest heading size will be H6. And in intermediate, the size varies. So in whichever font size you want, you make use of that heading style. Okay, there will be different variations. So you are designing a certificate, you are designing a web page, the title will appear in larger font. The things others will be in little smaller font. So as per your need, you make use of this heading. So this is an example for heading tags, students. This is an important question. So when you are asked in 5 marks, you describe about the purpose of the heading tag. Then what are the 6 heading tags available in HTML? You list out that. You write a program and then you produce the output for that particular thing. Next is the footer tag. So header tag is used for displaying the headings, whereas footer tag is used to specify a footer for the document. What is footer? Something that appears below the web page at the end. For example, this copyright, always the copyrights, the license that we have for that web page, it will be displayed below the web page. So that you can display using your footer tag. So I have given an example program for footer tag. So as usual, first statement will be doc type. Below that I have written the HTML and below that comes the head tag. Now within the head tag I have written the title tag. For title tag, this program is for footer example. So I have written as HTML footer tag. Then I have closed the title tag and head tag and I have opened the body tag. Now in the body tag I am going to include the header tag. So I have written as header. So in the header, I am making use of H1 tag. So I want something to appear in large font size. So I am making use of the style H1. So I have written the statement simply easy learning. So I want this to appear somewhat in a bigger size. Then P tag, I have make use of P tag. P means paragraph tag. Paragraph tag means then after simply easy learning, the you are visiting tutorials point will not start on the same line. It will come to the next line. So it will start in a new line. So only I am making use of the paragraph tag. So you are visiting tutorialspoint.com tutorial hub for simply easy learning. I have closed the paragraph tag. Then finally, I am closing the header tag. I am opening the footer tag. In the footer tag, I am returning copyright. This is the symbol for copyright. So, copyright 2014, all rights reserved. And then I am closing the footer tag. So, after closing the footer tag, you have to close the body tag and then you have to close the HTML tag. Okay, student, then you will get the output like this. So in H1 I have given, so I have asked, so simply easy learning is somewhat larger, and finally you see at the below the web page you have this copyright 2014 all rights aside. It will be displayed at below the web page. So this is an example for footer tag. So both are two questions. You may either be asked for header tag or either you may be asked for footer tag. So whatever tag they are asking you, just write an program and give the output for that, students. Okay, thank you students for watching.